Yes, hello guys, welcome back to Forex Beginners School. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to start Forex trading in 2024 as a complete beginner, right? As a complete beginner, how can you start Forex trading? So most people are outside there wondering if they really can be able to start Forex trading in 2024. So if you're one of those people, then you're in the right place, and I'm telling you right now, the answer is yes, you can start. So let's jump right straight into the video and then see what are the steps we need to take in order to become a forex traders in 2024. So if you're new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, because this is the best place for you to be, as you can see from the name, Forex Beginners School. So right now, let's jump right straight into the video. So here you can see right here there is the topic is up there, how to start forex trading in 2024 for beginners. So these are the steps right here. So let's talk about each of these following step one by one, and I'm gonna demonstrate each and every single thing for you in this video here. So you will have a concept of what you are going to be doing for the rest of the year if you really want to do this. So right now, let's take a look here. Learn the first one. To become a forex trader, you need to learn what forex trading is in general, right? As you can see here, you must learn what forex trading is in general. Like, you have to know that one. So how are you going to learn this one? Simple. I'm not going to make a whole other long video about this one in this same video. So what I'm gonna do, I will leave the link in my description below, because I already made a video about that one yesterday. Actually, I made a video about that one, so you will find the link in my description below. It's like 6 minute video, and will explain each and every single thing about forex trading in general for a complete beginner like you. So let's move on to number two. Number two, say, ask yourself, why do you want to become a forex trader? Yes, ask yourself, why do you want to become a forex trader? And the reason why I even include this one as one of the steps to become a forex trader in 2024 is that when you know the reason why you want to do something, it acts as a motivation to keep you going. So let's just say the reason why we want to do it is because of our financial situation right now. Or let's just say it's because we need freedom, right? We don't need to go to 9 to 5 and all that stuff. So you need freedom to travel the world and do whatever you want. So that one could be a good motivation to keep you going every single day. And then let's go to number three here. Number three, say that set a realistic goal to achieve with forex trading in 2024. So the reason why you need to set a realistic goal to become a forex trader in 2024 as a complete beginner is that when you have a goal set, it keep you moving forward, knowing that it keep you working, knowing that there is a point where you need to get in order to feel complete in a specific time where you set your goal in. So let's say our goal in 2024 is to, let's say we just need to make $20,000, right? Let's just make it like in that way as a complete beginner. Let's just say we need to make between 10 to $20,000 with forex trading. That can be a realistic goal when you put in a work. So now let's go to number four here. Number four, say, learn how to read candlesticks in market chart. And yes, candlesticks are the most important thing that you must know how to read in order to become a forex trader. All the professional forex traders knows how to read candlestick, and that's why I'm going to teach you how to read candlestick step by step. I'm going to make another video about that one, but I will leave the link in the description below, where you can text me on Telegram so I can give you my ebooks. I mean, it's just 20 pages ebook about all the candlestick, and it's for absolute free of charge. I'm not charging you for anything. Just follow me on Telegram. You will find the link in my description below. Text me there, and I will send you the link to your inbox so you can learn all the candlestick that are there in forex trading. And then number five here say that practice with a demo account. practice with the demo account. You need to practice and practice and practice again with the demo account because you have nothing to lose. This one is a pre-account. It's a pre-account where there is virtual money, which is not the real money. So you just need to learn from the real market using a demo account. And after you feel like you're now ready to go to the real market, then you will now take another step to number six, which is our last step to become a forex trader in 2024. So in number six here, they say that take risks in real markets and never give up. So this is the final step here, and this is where the beginners, both staff, and everybody else that ever start doing forex trading. You only boost up when you are taking risks. But if you ain't taking risks in real market, then I'm sorry, forex trading is not for you. If you just want to be trading in demo, then what's the point? So you must trade in demo, and after a certain period of time, you will need to level up and take those risks, put in the real money, and trade in the real market, and expect the real result. It is gonna either be losing or winning. So you have to take risks. Taking risks is very important. As a forex trader, you have to be a very strong-minded risk taker because this is not a playing market, right, guys? This is a market that trades $6 trillion every single day, 6 trillion US dollars every single day. So this market is serious, and you have to train your mind to be really serious with whatever you're doing in order to make it here. So you have to learn how to take risks and never give up, regardless losing or winning. So those are the steps of how you can become a forex trader in 2024. So let's say we have things that we can demonstrate in this video. Let's say we can demonstrate how to read candlestick, but we're not going to do it here. I said earlier, I will leave the link in my description below. Text me on Telegram. I will send you my whole ebook that is 20 pages of uh, every single candlestick that is in Forex. And then I'm going to make another video here. I don't know if you guys are ready for this one. How to practice with a demo account. So if we are talking about demo account here, I will tell you demo account is simply the demonstration account. This is where you are just demonstrating how the real market look like. It's a demonstration, not a real one. So if you're asking me how do you get a demo account, then don't worry, you get a demo account on App Store and Google Play Store. You just type in Forex demo account, but don't do that one. You just type in MT4 or MT5, any of them. And I'm gonna make a video about them tomorrow, I guess. I think I'm gonna make a video about MT4 and MT5 tomorrow so I can teach you how to trade with a demo account, and that's how you level up your skill each and every single day. So if you find this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos.